Hello guys, in this video we will solve the problem of the video icon not appearing in the Facebook shortcuts bar. A simple method that does not require any programs. All you have to do and follow the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share the video. The first step, my friend, is to go to your Facebook account. After that, click on any icon from the ribbon icons and shortcuts. Here, long press. After that, this interface will pop up. Click on the ribbon or the customization settings ribbon. Then, you will find this interface. Now, if you did what I say and did not find this interface, it is okay. Go out and then go to click on your profile icon. After that, click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. After that, go down and search for the navigation bar. Here, you will find the navigation bar. Click on it. Here, you will find the customization ribbon. Click on it. Here you search for the video icon. You will find it here. You will find it hidden. Click on it. After that, click on the first option, which is Install. Then we return to the official Facebook interface. As you can see here, it has been restored. Video icon successfully. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked the video. For inquiries, any problems or suggestions, write them in the comments, and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.